Today I'm creating a simple protective style for my daughter's natural hair. As we all know, protective styles are great because they help to reduce breakage, retain moisture and also protect the ends of the hair. First thing first, I section the hair into 4 main parts. This will help to keep the hair organized and makes the styling process much easier. So for the first 2 rows, I created 2 strand twists. I love twists so much because they are gentle on scalp and they also help to keep the hair stretched and protected. After completing the twists in the first 2 layers, I move on to the 3rd row where I start making cornrows. The cornrows help to secure the style and keep everything neat and long-lasting. Do not, I repeat, do not make your hair or your child's hair when it's dry because you're going to not only cause pain but harm to the hair and to the child. So make sure your child's hair is well moisturized. Talking about this, Ivy's Naturals Hydrating Hair Tea will do just wonders to your hair. You're going to apply that on your hair first. I'll be dropping the link in the description box just in case you need anyone. You can also reach out on Instagram or TikTok on Ivy's Naturals. After applying the hydrating hair tea, you go in with your oil and also the leave-in conditioner. This will help to keep your hair soft and well hydrated. You can see how soft this hair is now. It's not dry, it's less pain. You are going to have a good time making your child's hair and your child also will be very, very comfortable. So the next thing you need to pay attention to is tension. When you're making your child's hair, you have to be sure that it's not too tight because when a hairstyle is too tight, it's going to weaken your hair and also cause breakage and even pain to the child's scalp. I want to use this medium to appreciate everyone who has always been following Ivy's Naturals, commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing. I thank you for joining us. Comment below where you're watching us from and let me know if you'll be recreating this hairstyle. I can't wait to read your comments. If you have any hair concern, do well to also drop them in the comment. I will be ready and I'm available to answer it all. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you'll be first to receive the alert of videos we drop here on a weekly basis. We're halfway into the making of this beautiful hairstyle, and this combination of twist and cornrows work really well as a protective style because it keeps the hair tucked away while still looking neat and beautiful. Can you see the strands? See how shiny? See the scalp? What do you think about this beautiful hairstyle? Yay or nay? Rate it over 10 in the comment section. Will you be recreating it for your girl? If yes, let me know.